Party people! I'm back. And so is Amanda because I feel like everybody loves to see Amanda because she's so beautiful. I wanted to create a softer Valentine's Day look versus all the hot pink. I will link a time marker down below if you don't want to see the full face and you just want to focus on the eyes. But we are starting with the Elcie Cosmetics Pearl Radiance Primer. It's very similar to the Becca Backlight Primer. Then going in with Elcie Cosmetics Foundation in Porcelain and Warm Beige just to find her perfect shade. And I'm just buffing it in with a foundation brush. I'm using majority of Bdellium Tools brushes in this video, in all my videos, because it's amazing and they will hold up and they won't fall apart like Morphe brushes. I mean, what?
Oops.
Then we're going to go with Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Fair Neutral and Light Neutral just to kind of highlight a little bit and kind of cover up some of the dark circles she had. You don't want to go too crazy because I'm trying to be realistic for you guys and not everybody puts pounds of concealer on. Once you have blended in your concealer, just set underneath your eye because we're going to go in with contour and we want to make sure there are no creases. Whatever contour you like, you can use a dark concealer, a dark foundation, and I'm just contouring Amanda's face. A little on the forehead, accentuate her perfect cheekbones and her perfect jawline and her perfect freaking nose. You get the point, she's perfect. And just blending that into the skin with the same foundation brush. Keep in mind, when you are blending in your contour, keep it in that concentrated area that you placed it. You're just kind of pushing it into the skin and kind of blending it in with the foundation. Once you are happy with that, we're going to set the face. I'm doing RCMA No Color powder mixed with a little bit of Ben Nye banana powder. This is my favorite combination of powders. Do whatever you want. Then we're going to contour with powder and just kind of buffing it in to where we placed the cream contour. Voila! Perfect cheekbones and you're ready to party! So I like to do things a little backwards. Once I do half the face, I go into the eyes. I don't know why, it's just easier for me. So I set some translucent powder under the eyes, and then I'm putting Tarte Shape Tape Concealer as my eyeshadow base. Whatever you guys like to use is fine. You don't gotta do everything I'm doing. Then I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, and we're just taking that color and putting it into your crease and kind of buffing it out. Almost like you'd be doing like a cut crease or something, but you're not. Then I'm going to take my Viseart palette and just take that transition shade to kind of blend that color seamlessly upwards towards the brow bone. And then we're going to go in with our highlight shade, just place it on the brow bone. It is a matte shade. You can add highlight like color later. Then we're going to take a dark brown and like a dome pencil. I'm sorry, I'm terrible with eyeshadow brush names, but I know what to do with them. And I'm putting it in the outer corner and blending it into the crease just a little bit, just to make it soft. Now for the Valentine's Day, come on, we gotta add a little pink. So take that pink and kind of buff it into the crease a little bit more to add dimension. Swirling windshield wiper motions, you know how it works. Then we're gonna take that sparkly shade, put it all over the lid to kind of blend into that dark brown and blend it until you can't blend no more. And we're going to take that dark brown underneath the eye because whatever you do on top, you got to do on bottom. And you're just going to start blending it back out with some of those transition shades. It's almost like you're smoking it out. You can add a little pink under there if you want. You can keep it with your browns and just kind of connect the two so they look perfect. I'm going to add a little pop in the inner corner, same shade that we put on our lid. Now I'm going with Divina Cosmetics in Sybil. Kind of a pinky purple tone just to even out that transition between the dark brown and that light color we used before we add the glitter. This is Violet Voss glitter in Sandy. I love this shit. If you guys buy any glitter, get this one. It is so soft and natural. I'm using NYX glitter glue, and then I'm going to go with my finger and then just lightly tap it on the eye, and look what that just did. Holy shit balls. And now we're going to finish the face. Take any hydrating spray that you want. This is Smashbox Primer Water, Fix Plus, whatever works. Again, Becca Cosmetics Champagne Pop on the cheekbones, a little bit on the nose, and then I'm going to take my new favorite highlighters, which are the NYX Duochrome highlighters. This is in Snow Rose. Just add a little pinky tone in there. If you guys haven't tried these, get on it. Then I'm taking Jouer Cosmetics, their bronzer, and I'm just kind of marrying the highlight with the contour so it all looks blended and even because nobody likes a harsh contour. Taking a little shimmer bronzer, kind of putting it where we're going to put the blush, and then we're going to go in with a nice pink blush to make her cheekbones pop, because Amanda has great cheeks. They just make life happier. They really do. So one of my favorite things about this look is you can do any kind of eyeliner you want. You can do a wing liner, you can do a heavy eyeliner, you can do no eyeliner and it'll still look good. I'm just doing a thin line across the top of her lid, a little bit underneath her eye. Look at the difference that makes though with liner. And then I'm going to go a little bit in her waterline to just kind of complete the look. But this is just more so when we put the fake lashes on, you won't be able to see that band. Now, if you want to wear fake lashes, you wear those fake lashes. This is the Ardell Faux Fum lashes. And then we're putting it on with Callus Lash Glue. It dries in 30 seconds and is latex free. They sell it on Amazon. Then we're doing her brows with Anastasia Brow Definer in Blonde. And then little Bronxy boy baby had to say hi to his second mama because he pretty much grew up with her and he just loves her so much. Little boo-boo. Then we're going to do Amanda's lip color. This is NYX lip liner in Mauve. It is a dupe for MAC Whirl. Then we're mixing the Sephora lip creams, number 13 and 32. And then after that dries, I'm going to go over with the Infallible, the L'Oreal stuff, number 105 Petal. It's a very sheer pink with a little bit of gold reflex in it. It's really pretty, just to kind of top it off. Hey now, this is what dreams are made of. Look at that! Perfect Valentine's Day for your man, for your woman, for your someone, for yourself, for whoever you want it to be. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to be nice to people because it's not that hard. Bye!